Good morning, students. We shall continue the chapter number 7 with the problem number 7. So far we have completed 6 problems from the exercise. Now we shall pass on to the 7th one today. 7. Muthu Limited issue 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each payable as follows: 2 on application, 4 on allotment, another 4 on first and final call. All money duly received except one shareholder holding 1,000 shares failed to pay the call money. Pass necessary journal entries for calls by using call in arrear account. Here, as usual, we shall do the problem only in the last stage. We will have to discuss something which I will explain you later. As usual, we can draw the columns for problems. This is in the books of the name we should write, then journal entries, and this is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees 5, credit rupees 5. This is the format, you know it well, and here the name of the company is Muthu Limited. Muthu Limited in the books of Muthu Limited. We used to draw another format by the side of it so that we can write the pair of entries side by side. As usual, date, then particulars, ledger folio, then debit rupees 5 and the credit rupees 5. Good. Now, what is given there? Rupees 2 on application, 4 on allotment, 4 on first and final call. Only there are 3 stages. For all the 3 stages, we should pass journal entries. Number of shares issued by the Muthu Limited company is 50,000 shares. And pass necessary journal entries for calls by using calls in arrear account. Here we are supposed to pass entries only for calls, but what I am going to do, I am going to give you all the journal entries for this. What is the first one? 2 on application. What should be the journal entry for application? Bank account data to, here the name of the share is not given, therefore we can write share application account. Application money received. Received at the rate of rupees 2 on 50,000 shares. This is. So 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh we should write. Then what should be the second journal entry for this? Where we stopped with that, we should begin the second journal entry. Share application account data to share capital account. Share capital account. The same amount, 1 lakh. What is the narration for it? Application money transferred to share capital. Share capital. This is for the first stage. What should be for the second stage? We have seen all these journal entries already. Then second stage, allotment stage, 4 on allotment. Second one, I told you very many times in all these 6 problems, what are the entries in the first stage, first and the second, from the second stage onwards, that journal entry will be here, this will go there, I told you. What is there? Journal entry, share application account data to share capital, but this is not application stage, therefore this is allotment stage, just change the name of the stage, share allotment account data to share capital account. Amount for allotment stage is 4, therefore 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. Allotment money due on, or we can write simply allotment money due at the rate of rupees 4. Now this journal entry will come here only by changing this application as allotment. So what it is? Bank account data to share allotment account. Bank account data to share allotment account. 2 lakhs. Narration. Allotment money received. Allotment money received. The second stage is over. What should be the third stage? Third stage. Third stage is first and final call. I told you only first stage is different from the second, third. That is, application stage is different from allotment, first call, final call, whatever the other stages later. So, from allotment onwards, allotment, first call, final call, all are one and the same. Only thing, the name of the stage should be changed. Here the same thing. Share, first and final call account that are to share capital account. Share first and final call account that are to share capital account. What is the amount? 4 rupees. 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. The same 2 lakhs. Narration, call money due at the rate of rupees 4. Call money due at the rate of rupees 4. And when the call money is paid, what should be the same journal entry? From the second stage onwards the same, only just to change the name of the stage. So what it is? Bank account debtor to share first and final call account. To share first and final call account. What should be the amount here? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. This should be the amount. Only when we can write. Here is the important point in this problem. What is the instruction given? All money were duly received. If the question is stopped there, this is the answer. For all the 3 stages, the money was received. Okay, we can stop with that. But there is a tail part in the sentence. What it is? All the money duly received except one shareholder holding 1,000 shares failed to pay the call money. Failed to pay the call money. Pass necessary journal entries. So this is the question. A shareholder having 1,000 shares failed to pay the call money. So how this 2 lakhs amount will come to the bank in that case? No possibility. So a shareholder having 1,000 shares did not pay the call money. So 1,000 into 4, 4,000 rupees did not come to the bank. So it cannot be here. Instead of this 4 into 50,000, here it is 49,000 only. Therefore, for 1,000 shares, the call money 1,000 into 4, 4,000 rupees did not the bank receive. Therefore, it must be 1,96,000. 1,96,000 only. But The share first and final call account must be 2 lakhs. So what we should write? Call in arrear account. Call in arrear account debtor 4,000 we should write. So what should be the narration? Usually what we will write? Allotment money received, application money received, allotment money received. Likewise, here also, call money received. Received except for 1,000 shares. Except for 1,000 shares. This you should mention that. Once again, I repeat. There is a small diversion from the usual problem given under this 7. What is that? This Muthu Limited issued 50,000 shares to the public, and the application money was received for 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 2, therefore 2 into 50,000, 1 lakh. You know, since the first stage only the money will be received and that application money will be transferred to share capital. That's what I said in the previous classes. So, bank account debtor to share application account. From where you stop, you begin with the second one. So, share application account, this is transferred to share capital. Therefore, share application account debtor to share capital account. That's what I have written. Application money transferred to share capital. I said in all the 6 problems, I repeatedly said that. One thing you should remember, in psychology they say, repetition makes memory. So that is why I am repeating the same point in each and every problem, by which you need not and you should not forget it. Okay, here from the first stage, second and the third are different. How this first journal entry will be here the second journal entry will be the first. Why it should come? I told you in the previous problems also. In the first stage, money will be received first, then it will be transferred. Whereas from the allotment stage, call stage, whether it is first call or final call, both the calls are combined together, whatever it is. Here, they just send a reminder to the shareholder for this, the journal entry. After the payment made by the shareholder, this journal entry. The same thing for allotment, first call, final call, whatever it is here. So, we come to the point once again. The allotment money is 4 per share. Therefore, for 50,000 shares, 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs I have written here. Here, this amount, this is the letter sent for the shareholder. After seeing the letter, the shareholders pay the money. Therefore, bank account debtor to share allotment. The same thing. This will come here, this will go there. The same 2 lakhs allotment money received. Then third stage, they combine both the calls together and they fix the rate rupees 4. So 4 rupees 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. It is written the same journal entry. That stage only is changed. Instead of allotment, here first and final call. The same thing. So 4 into 50,000, 2 lakhs. Call money due at the rate of rupees 4. Good. The same journal entry. This allotment stage is changed as first and final call. So bank account debtor to share first and final call account. In both the cases, we should write only 2 lakhs. But what is the condition given there? The condition given here is a shareholder holding 1,000 shares failed to pay the call money. So a person or a shareholder having 1,000 shares failed to pay. That means they did not pay. So 1,000 into 4, 4,000 rupees was not received by the bank. Therefore, the bank received only 1,96,000 instead of 2 lakhs. But generally, there is a principle in a journal entry, both the debit amount and the credit amount must be equal. So, what should be written there? Because since the amount is not paid, it is called call-in arrear account. For any stage, whether it is allotment or first call or final call, if the amount is not paid, it is called arrear. If the allotment money is not paid, arrear in allotment. If the call money is not paid, arrear in call, that is call in arrear. So we use the term call in arrear account 4,000. This is the specialty in this, and what you should answer for this question: cause necessary journal entries for calls by using call in arrear account. For calls only they ask. For the question given in the book, 7th question, this must be the answer. These two are not prepared. Anyhow, as a matter of revision, I thought I have written all these things on the blackboard, but for the question, once again I read it. Cause necessary journal entries for calls. This is the call. That is first and final call. Made in arrear account using call in arrear account. It is noted. These two entries are the only answer for the question. But as a matter of revision, I have given the entries both for application and allotment. Thank you.